Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Oh wait, I forgot. I want to change some of my settings. Today is going to be another foundation review. I have been enjoying doing foundation reviews lately. I'm kind of on the hunt for my holy grail foundation. I've found some that I like, but the search continues. Today's victim is the CYO Lifeproof foundation. A couple of you guys suggested this foundation to me in my comments, so I decided to check it out. It's a drugstore foundation. I got it from Walgreens. It's $7. So that's exciting. Let's see. Ooh, buy two, get the third free at Walgreens. Well, let's find out if it's any good first. So this is 1 ounce. I have the shade 101. This is here, long-lasting, creamy, lightweight foundation that really goes the distance. Smudge and transfer free, this formula will leave skin looking fresh and flawless around the clock without the cakey feeling. Ugh, in parentheses. 15 medium coverage shades are available, buildable and comfortable wear, visually, it's not, they have a cute little like Q&A on their website. Why can't I have my cake and eat it? Says who? What else can you do with cake? What do I feed my unicorn? Gluten-free rainbow cake, obs. Do they test on animals? No, they don't test on animals. So yeah, that's what I was looking for. So I'm gonna be trying this foundation out today. We're gonna see if it's bomb or if it sucks or if it's just mediocre. I need to prime today. Just gonna use a primer that I've used a lot. This is the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer. It's probably not gonna, I don't think it'll affect the review too much, but I just wanna make sure that my face isn't like too oily or pory or anything like that. My skin is normal to oily, in case y'all are wondering. First, let's try it out on a sponge. This side will be the sponge side, okay, people? It doesn't smell like anything. I feel like this is a perfect match. I don't want to say that because I don't want people to come for me, but I think it's a pretty darn good match. Yeah, I would say medium coverage. It's moisturizing and dewy. I'm gonna say that's pretty damn nice in my opinion. Let's do the brush side next. Okay, this is brand new and it should not be sputtering like that. Just stippling it.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
I don't know why you think I'm talking to you. Stippling it onto my face, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it because my camera isn't like super great, but see the brush marks? I'm just not a brush foundation kind of gal, you guys. I don't know. I never get that nice of a finish when I just do a brush, but lately what I've been doing, you can use less product if you use a brush and then just go in with your sponge and pat, and you will look airbrushed, bitch. Kind of want to go in with just a little bit more. Let's see how it layers, and we'll do like right here in the middle of my face. Looks pretty good. Added a little bit of coverage. It's a little bit harder to see that redness that I had on my cheek. It feels moist, like it definitely doesn't feel dry. I feel like I could still move it around and work with it, but yeah, natural finish. I think they were right about that. CYO does have a concealer. It didn't interest me very much though, so I didn't get it. So let's just go in with a concealer that a lot of people probably have. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape and just gonna try to focus that like right on the dark circles. That way it doesn't interfere too much with the review. But bitch needs to cover up her dark circles somehow. Works pretty well with the Shape Tape. I mean, we'll see. Next, what I'm going to do is a little bit of contour. I like using the Milk bronzer for contour. This is the shade Blaze. And let's see if this plays nice with the CYO foundation. I just had the craziest thought, you guys. What if somebody tattooed contour onto their face? What if that's next? Like, people have tattooed like their brows, their lips. Some people I think have even gotten like a wing liner tattoo. What if contour tattoos were a thing? Oh my god, could you imagine never having a contour again? You look a little crazy though. It's probably a horrible idea. Yeah, that worked out flawlessly. I don't see any issues at all. Sometimes you can accidentally blend away your foundation a little bit. This stuck really well. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with my RCMA No Color powder. And we're gonna set the face really quick, really lightly, gently. I can't walk around with a sticky, wet face. All right, ta-da, there we go. I am pretty darn happy with this base. Let me zoom out so we can see. Is it matching? Does it match me, you guys? I think it looks good in person. It looks pretty good in person. I'm always very red on my chest, so whatever, like ignore that. I'll be back when my makeup's finished and we'll go from there. That'll be like the first little check-in in like an hour or something, so I'll see you then. Hey guys, so it's been about an hour and 45 minutes since initial application. Did it oxidize a little bit? Is it a little yellow? We shouldn't focus right here because that's where the Shape Tape is, but like right here and stuff. It's nice and I'm enjoying it, and it layered up pretty well with all my other makeup. The rest of the check-ins are probably going to be with my phone since I'm not going to be home. But I'll keep you guys updated and we'll go from there, okay? Hey guys, so this is the last check-in. I think it's been like 9 or 10 hours. Sweetie, how's my foundation look?
Oh, my foundation look.
It's been a very long night, but I think my foundation looks really, really freaking good.
Me too.
So much better than the Milk one after 10 hours, and this was $7. This is a $7 foundation, and I was sweating earlier today. And then in the car, it was feeling really dry. For some reason, my face was feeling very dry. It might have been the AC just like blowing on it. And then it was pretty hot at my parents' house. So I feel like I went through a few different seasons and the foundation's looking pretty good. I don't feel oily. My face feels really soft and velvety, and it's literally not breaking up anywhere. I only think that like if you're dry or if you live in like a dry climate, this might not be super good for you, but I'm super pleased. And for $7, bitch, I'll keep trying it out and I'll update you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Oh my god, so tired. I really don't want to have to take my makeup off. What if I just go to sleep and like wipe it on my pillow? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.